In this class, we will learn about some simple commands which are more useful in AutoCAD drawing, particularly in copying drawing from other drawing sheets and inserting the pictures and inserting some tables from Excel or Word. Some of these commands are enumerated here: copy, clip, paste as special. I will explain you what is the difference. You can paste as a block and insert pictures. Now I will open the AutoCAD drawing. See the drawing as usual. I have opened it, and now there is insert. See block, DWG reference. We will discuss inserting block, preparing the blocks in the next class, but we will simple way of inserting some of these things we will know. So inserting raster image reference. Suppose we click on this, a file will be produced, a file will be displayed to select the file, and then you can select some of the images. I have some images here. See some images here. I will see like this. I can click in the drawing. There are some images. See, click it here. It shows what you are going to insert here. Full path. You can specify on the screen from which point you have to insert. Click it here and specify the points on the screen. Default it will be 0, 0. And then specify on screen rotation. If you want to have any rotation on this picture, you can specify on the screen. If you want, you can click it here, specify on the screen, and then click OK. Then it asks you the point of insertion. Suppose you click either 0, 0, or enter 0, 0, or anywhere you click here. See, it asks you the image path, specify the scale factor. It has insert to 1:1 scale by default. If you want to give the scale factor, say 20, that means the image will be 20 times bigger than what is actually. Or if it is 100, it is 100 times bigger. Now let me enter 100. This is the image. See, in zoom extent, you will be able to see the image. See, this image you can save as. You can save as drawing 1. Somewhere we will put it in some desktop, and you can save the drawing. Now, if you want to reopen, see, I will close it and reopen it. So I will close the drawing. I will go to desktop. It is saved in desktop. I will reopen. See, it is opened. See, here you can see the image. Suppose the image is not in that path where we selected. We selected the image from a particular file folder, 1503. If the image is not there, it is not going to display the image. The image should be in the same place from where it is selected. So then only it will show the image. Otherwise, it will not show. Okay. So this you have to keep in mind. So image should be in the same place. Now suppose we want to scale it. So to scale it, how we can scale this drawing approximately, that also I will mention. But I will make some, I will transfer some insert from 2D image. From that you will be able to know how to scale it. Now I will insert once again another image. See, 2D image, we will say raster image. Now I will go to we'll select some this file. See, I will take this. See, this you have. I didn't select the scale directly, I put it here. We'll see the image how it is. So this is some plan of a drawing. And it is in the form of an image. A 3D is developed, it is in the form of image. This grey color one. So what we have to see, suppose we want to scale this. So actually we should know one of the sizes here. Approximate sizes, one of the sizes. Suppose this is, if you measure it here, say it is approximately, if you measure it from here to here, it gives a value, say 34,037, it's a very huge. I will reduce the scale size so that we can easily measure it. Scale, we can reduce it to scale. 1 divided by 1000. It has reduced to a scale. It is. Now we will measure it, the length here. You can approximately measure the length. See, it shows 3,387. Length is 3,387. So this length is 3,387, and in the actual drawing, there is a 3D. You have to find out the length. One of the lengths should be known to you in actual drawing. Say in actual drawing it is 1000. Then it means the drawing what you have displaced is 3 times larger than the original drawing. So what you have to do, so the size mentioned is, instead of 1000, it mentions as 3,800. So the ratio, that is 1000, 3,800 divided by 1000, that's about 3.8. So that means the size is increased by 3.8. It means all the lengths are increased by 3.8. Suppose we measure this length. So you can't see that. Let me just once again. Oh, 40,267. See, here it is 40,267. It is 3.8. So the size will be, you have to divide this. It shows 40,267 and divided by 3.8 scale factor. So actual size will be 10,000 and half. So this is how we can scale the images also. Now we'll erase this. It is a simple command which you have learned now. So you can, any images you can bring it. Only thing is the image should be in the same place from where you select it. Suppose the image is shifted, let us see. For example, I select an image from here, the front view, or say top view, side view I will select it. And it asks one scale, you can say 0.1 if you want to reduce the scale. Then zoom, extend, so you get it. This we will save. We have saved as drawing 1, and I will close this, and I will go to a file where I have this image. I will go to the file where I have this image. I think somewhere here. Just a second, I have to go to the file, means can't go in Autocad, separately go to the file. See, we have picked up the image somewhere here. Okay, from to this we have picked up. Suppose I remove this from this place. Suppose I said delete. Okay, it is deleted now. Suppose I go to the drawing file. It still appears, but what is going to happen is that image, if I close it, see, I have removed that, still it appears here. So that is all saved to the, it is already saved to the Autocad file. Now I will just erase this. This is how we can shift the, import the images. Just by clicking the raster image reference, you can do it. Similarly, PDF files also you can do. I will show you. PDF file, wherever it appears, you can click it here, relative path is not assigned, so it may not be. See, it has come. See, it has come here. So even the PDF files also can be transferred to the Autocad file. And this is insertion. We can do many things here. So I have shown you PDF, raster images, and DW reference. Some other DW drawings also you can bring it here. I will show you. Suppose there is a drawing, let us say. I will select some drawing here. This is a CAD drawing. It is shifted here. See. Oh, it's not there. It appears. So I will just. I will do once again. Is some error. It appears. I am going to insert some PDF file. See, I will take some other PDF file. Let me see. See, the PDF file is shifted here. This is that is PDF file, and this is Autocad file. I have shifted the Autocad file also in this place. I will erase. Open once again. Like this. Of course, toolbars have been disturbed now. I have changed the toolbar. I can once again add the toolbars. As you know, toolbars, many toolbars are missing here. We can add it. I'll reopen the drawing and let me see a new drawing. Whether setting is there or not, we will know. Okay. So anyway, never mind. Because it has been used for working at some other time when it has been changed. So at least I will, from the tool setup, we can always change. I will remove this scroll. Okay. So this is how insert. So DWG, PDF, and raster images. These three things you can always, just by clicking, you can bring it to this AutoCAD file. Now we learn something about next lesson. Copy, click, paste, special. These three things we learn about now. Suppose this is one drawing, let us say drawing 1. Okay. This we can save, because we have to save it to bring it back once again. We have to save the drawing on the desktop. So it's already there, but anyway, I save it as this. That image will go on. I'll replace that with this file, drawing 1 on the desktop. And we want to bring some other drawing, copy some other drawing on this drawing. What you have to do is open the drawing like this, post it in the model space, or shift it. This is the drawing available. Open the drawing, and then you have to type a command, copy clip. Copy clip. COPY clip. Then you have to select a window. Full drawing we want, I am selecting. I have selected the entire drawing. Now here you can edit command, you go there, and let us see what is going to happen if you just put paste. There are three different types. See here, if I put as paste, the drawing is drawn as it is. See, it is editable. You can save and make correction here, and you can go on doing anything. Okay, this is how you do paste a drawing. I will remove. I will do the work with some other drawing also. Let me show you. That was a block drawing, and I will show you with a regular drawing how it can be done. So we prepare a drawing 1 as is. I have saved it and save as. We have already drawing 1 on the desktop. We will save it as drawing 2 on the desktop. Desktop, I will save as drawing 2. Okay. So now I will do some drawing here. Say, let us say a rectangle is drawn. That's all for simplicity. And now I am saving this. I want to copy this drawing to another one here. Drawing 2 is here, drawing 1 here. So here, what I have to do is, see, you can see the drawing, both drawing you can see here, drawing 1 and drawing 2. You want to copy to drawing 2, there is some drawings are available. So what you have to do is copy clip. You select copy clip. Copy clip and return press. Then you come drawing 1. Here you can use paste. See, it has been pasted as a drawing. Okay. And also you can paste as a block. So it is complete one entity. Of course, here this is also shown as one entity because I have drawn a polygon, but I will draw in regular by lines and create a rectangle. and then I will show you how it is converted into blocks. See, I will erase this. I will draw with some irregular figure, say this is some, see, these are all individual objects. It's not object as a whole. So this I want to copy, let us say. You click copy, click with the command, you have to type it. Return you press. Then you open the other drawing 1 here, and you paste as drawing is pasted. Okay. Suppose you want to paste as a block. See here, I will show you. This is an independent line. This is as it is pasted. Suppose I paste as a block. So this as a whole figure. And you can use a command explode to, then it becomes an individual line like this. So I am going to erase this. So insert edit command, and paste as a special is also as an Autocad entity you can paste. This is particularly, suppose you are pasting something from Excel, then you can use this command to paste. Here, see, this is also pasted as it is drawn. So I'm removing this. See, in the earlier time, this paste means actual picture would have been pasted. Now in the paste as a special, it would have pasted like a Autocad entity. Okay. Suppose this I will show you by pasting something from Excel, the difference between these two, paste and paste as special and as ordinary pasting. Okay. Now this we have used. So in the insert command, we have used DWG can be pasted, PDF, raster image, and then other things we will not discuss now. And I will now show you how to paste from Excel file. See, what I have to do is I will close this and I will open an Excel file. See, there are many Excel files. I will, for example, open one of these files. See, I will open this. This has many sheets. Don't worry, it is not savable. See, here we can, in order to paste an Autocad, what we have to do is copy, then select the drawing, select the picture, how much you want to copy, select, suppose you want to copy this much. On this you copy, then go to Autocad drawing 1, and then you paste as a special, as an Autocad entity you paste. See, it is like an Autocad. See, if you click on this, this is as pasted as a block. You can use the export command to export. Suppose you paste as ordinary, so it will be pasted like this. It is a picture, it is pasted like a picture, it is distorted like that. No problem. Sometimes you get into problems by Excel file is corrupted. Anyway, this is how we can paste as a. Now let us see paste as a block, what is going to happen. Block, it is not pasted. And we paste as a special, we can paste. Similarly, you can bring any Fine. If you want to, it is a complete pasted as a block. If you want to individual, you use export command. Click it, and it is exported. Now you can edit also if you want. Edit. See, it bunks the size, everything it gives. You can edit. So any numbers, anything you can edit here. This as the individual lines. See, these are all individual lines. This is also individual line. You can, if you don't want the line, you can delete. If you don't want some column, you can delete. So whatever you pasted from Excel, you can edit also. I will close all these files. So this is how. Similarly, you can open a Word file and you can do it. So this we have learned about copy clip, paste special as a block, insert pictures. So this is a short class knowing about these things only. Now in the next class we'll deal with dimensions, dimensioning tolerances, etc. in the next class. Now I end the class.